in south central Montana, central Yellowstone County in south central Montana, until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hunley, or 15 miles northeast of Billings, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Billings, Hutton, Valentine, Wharton, Hunley, Shepherd, Lockwood, Billings Heights, and Crow Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Bighorn and Yellowstone. The following is a weather alert for the following county, Yellowstone, Montana. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Yellowstone County in south central Montana until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Loyal, or 13 miles southwest of Billings, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, public reported. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pryor and Crow Indian Reservation. This replaces the previous warning for this area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county, Yellowstone, Montana.